This powerful, high-flow half-inch NPT air valve delivers unparalleled performance for 12-volt vehicles. The unique design provides high-pressure control at minimal power consumption. Valve supports pressures of up to 250 psi and is constructed with high-quality brass to ensure continuous use through extreme conditions. Solenoid's DIN connector is water and dust resistant, a metal mounting bracket is included, and the airflow direction is clearly marked with an arrow to provide an easy, trouble-free installation. The flow control valve regulates how fast your vehicle drops when the solenoid is in a dump state. It can also help to reduce the noise the air makes when released from the solenoid.